To reign, to read.
And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest Figure-rise standard from Bandai Namco. We have Kamen Rider Wizard Flame Style. Yes, this is the fifth rider of the Neo Heisei series. So in the box art, we can see him in the middle of his transformation into flame style. We see the wizard driver here, and of course is the magic symbol that appears whenever he transforms. So off to one side, we see here wizard front and back, and of course we see here some details how you can move him, some gimmicks that we have with this kit. Yep, some poses that you can do with him. And off to the other side, we can see some details about Wizard, about the show, and details about the kit, primarily talking about how they were able to replicate his gem-like appearance. Yep. So that's from the box, and let's see what's inside. Opening up, we see one bag with one sprue, all silver. Second bag, we have 3 sprues, all black. Third bag, we have 2 sprues. One is all black, one is multicolored. So here we have the clear red parts in order to replicate his gem-like appearance, and some metallic red, and of course a very big sticker sheet. And last bag contains one more black sprue for Wizard, the standard set, and another sticker sheet. And lastly, of course, we have the instruction manual. So that's what we can see. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. Okay, and first off, we have again the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We have all black, and we have some metallic red and some clear red. Again, these clear red and metallic red are for replicating Wizard's gem-like appearance. So that's the A sprue. We have not just one, but we have 2 B2s, which is all black, and I am guessing this is for his arms and limbs parts. Yeah, so that's B2. We have a C1, which has, as you can see, all black. We can see his manipulators here, more joints here, and with the C1 we have a C2, which is this portion of C1. So that's C1 and C2. We also have a D. Oops, sorry. Yep, here we go. We have a D, which is all black, and yes, this is the part of the cape or the skirt of Wizard, and this will be painted red. I'll show you later on why. And we have the E sprue, which is all silver. Yes, most of his parts is silver, and we have his weapon here, which turns from a gun into a sword. And of course, we cannot forget the standard stand, which is in clear plastic, and they do give us one one sticker sheet. We have some for the silver trimmings. We have some stickers in order to make the clear parts more reflective, and some red parts here, and some stickers for the rings. And earlier I told you that some parts of the black parts will be painted red because inside of that skirt is all red, and they give you this enormous sticker sheet in order to do that. And there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Figure-rise standard Kamen Rider Wizard Flame Style. And yes, I do hope that same as Den-O, there will be like P-Bandai releases, or same like Kuga also with P-Bandai releases of its other forms, because Wizard has Flame Style, Wind Style, Land, Ground Style, and Water Style. And yes, we only have 3 more riders left in order to complete the Heisei era. We just need Drive, Gaim, and Kiva, and I do hope they will be coming soon, which I know is the next one is Drive. So again, there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks, and if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, hitting that notification bell, sharing the videos, and this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you and thank you.